Alright, what is up, Internet? So today we have a little bit of a mystery package in front of us. However, this was sent in by a viewer slash friend by the name of Brent Kolb. Many of my viewers will know exactly who that is, so I feel the need to not offer any explanation. But he basically reached out to me a while back and said he was going to send me a package, or offered to send me a package rather, including, I know there is a Dell Inspiron laptop in there. Other than that, I have no idea. He said he was going to send some other things too, and judging by the weight of this package, which is like 30 pounds, there is probably something else in here. So he said I was going to like it too, so we're going to find out. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open with the usual unboxing knife, which is has seen better days, but it ought to work. So here we go. I would also like to add that he paid $50 to ship this to me and did not charge me a cent. So thank you, Brent, for that, for the generous donation. Alright. Let's see. Holy crap, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Whoa. That is intense. Alright, so let's see. Open first, save the best for last. Okay, well, the instructions say to open this first, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright. Oh, wow, we got a lot of stuff in here. Holy shit. Okay, so, first thing on the list, this looks like a hard drive DVD bay. It just looks like standard SATA. I'm not sure if this is for like a ThinkPad specifically, or a certain amount of, it looks like ThinkPad, just judging by the faceplate, but that's pretty cool. Alright, moving on, this looks like, oh, a wireless USB adapter. I can actually use this because I don't happen to have many of these, and I have several computers that don't have Ethernet, or don't have the ability to connect to Ethernet, so that's pretty cool. Looks like we have a couple CPUs here. These look like AMD. Alright, so one of them is an AMD Athlon of some kind, and the other one is a Sempron. These look like desktop processors. I don't know if I can actually use these because I don't really have any AMD boards lying around, but there we go. This looks like an iPod Touch. Not sure if this works. Highly doubt it. However, there it is. Just something else to put on the shelf, I suppose. This is a 4th gen. Man, I haven't touched one of these in years. I remember I was super excited about this like 7-8 years ago, but yeah, there's that. This looks like a huge graphics card of some kind. I'm pretty sure that's AGP actually, but I could totally be completely wrong on that. Doesn't say. Oh, it's a 3D FX card. That's kind of cool. This looks like something that could be used in like a server or something like that. Aha! Oh, this. Okay, so this looks like a battery for my Dell Latitude E4310, and I should have that machine handy somewhere, so let's go ahead and impromptu see if it fits. I'm pretty darn sure it will, and if so, I would really appreciate this, because obviously this computer doesn't have a battery in it. Let's go and try to slot this in here. Oh, I don't know if it's going to fit. Okay, this might be for like an E6400 instead. Because I'm not... Yeah, it's not going to fit. Well, it's the thought that counts, I suppose. I'll have to figure out what battery this is for later. But, cool. Well, it's the thought that counts, so thank you, Brent. Moving on, this just does not end. We have some more cards of some kind. Ooh, wow. Look at that. That is an old AMD K5 processor. You can see it has the Windows 98 logo on it. That's cool. I'm going to put that on the shelf for sure. This looks like some sort of multi-card reader, so that's kind of cool. PCI modem card, or that actually might be ISA. That's what that other card might be also. I'm not too sure. What's in here? Looks like more CPUs. Indeed it is. This one is a Pentium E7300, I believe. So that could be useful. I have quite a few LJ775 computers lying around, so much appreciated. That looks like a Pentium 4. That is equally useless. However, this looks to be a socket 478 one, so it's probably pretty early, and I just dropped it, so that's not cool. But there you go, Pentium 4. Let's see, what else we got in here? We have an MMC card. That's kind of cool, with a dongle on it. I love that word. This looks really, really old. Oh, it's got like a game port on it. That's pretty cool. Huh. Interesting. Other things in here, this looks like a Zircom 56K modem card. Kind of neat. This looks like another graphics card. Let's see, what is this one? This is an Asus. Not exactly sure what it is, though. We will have to find out. This looks to be PCI, so this could be... Oh, it's an NVIDIA card of some kind. Cool. Alright, well, I'll find a computer to slot that in for sure. There looks like the USB cable for that card reader. And we got some RAM. Can always use some RAM. Let's look at these. 512, 1 gig. It's all DDR2 stuff. Again, can never go wrong with this stuff. I can always use that. And looks like just a couple of other cables and things in there. So, moving on. This is going to be quite a long unboxing because I had no idea this was there was going to be this much stuff in there. But let's continue. Alright, we have some cases for an iPod Nano, it looks like. And I do have a 4th Gen Nano. I'm not sure that it works, though. But there you go. Oh, that's a 5th Gen, actually, because it has the camera hole. So that's kind of interesting. We have an OtterBox for an iPhone. This looks like an iPhone 4, actually. So neat. Alright, I can use that. HTC phone charger. Again, can't go wrong with those. Got some more cards here. There's a graphics card. That's a Pegatron graphics card. Interesting. Not sure if this is AMD or NVIDIA yet, but we'll find out. Let's see, we got another modem card and a TV tuner card. That's kind of neat. So, there you go. Alright, what else we got? Wow, this just keeps getting better. Here we have an iPhone 3G, looks like, because it doesn't have the glossy text on the back. Not sure if this works either. I'll have to plug it in later and see. So that's pretty neat. Aha, we have one of these Dell external CD drives. That's kind of neat. I used to have one of these, but I'm not exactly sure where it went because I don't have it anymore. But now I have one again, so there we are. Aha, we have a digital camera of some kind, a Nikon Coolpix 3100, 3.2 megapixels. It takes a CF card. That's got to be old, but there we go. Again, not sure if that works either, but yeah. This is a, ooh, whoa. This is an HD DVD ROM drive. That's kind of neat. It's a IDE, so that's pretty old. Obviously, HD DVDs are also an old standard that's also out of date, and I have none of. But that's kind of cool for like collective purposes. Next, I have to get a Blu-ray drive. Moving on, we have, ooh, a life-proof case for an iPhone 4. That's kind of neat. I tend to have a couple of 4S's too. iPhone 5S box. Pretty nice. I'll put that on the shelf also. Moving on. Oh, this looks like a, wow, that's like an, if y'all remember iDogs, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, but this one's a cat, obviously, but this has got to be from, like, yep, 2006. That sounds about right, because that's about when I had a few iDogs as a kid. Moving on, what is this? Professional laptop battery. Oh, we have another battery. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what machine that will go with either. Looks like some sort of consumer-grade Inspiron. I'll have to play with that later and see. This might fit my 1525. I'm not too sure, but I'll have to play with that. Got some more cards here. This is a graphics card with a composite input on it. That's cool. Can always use graphics cards again. Just to reiterate, got some stuffs there. This is a faceplate for a compact Presario. Could that be what's in here? No, I don't think so. But we will move on. I have no idea what this is. So I'll leave that to the imagination. Oh yeah, backplate for a motherboard I/O. That looks like some sort of HDD caddy. Oh, it's an HP HDD caddy, so that may or may not be useful. Don't know yet. Got some more iPod cases here. Looks to be more of the same type of thing that was in that other box. Another iPhone 3GS case, so that's kind of neat. And yeah, let's see. Let me angle the camera down a little bit lower. Moving on, we have another graphics card. This is a PNY. Doesn't exactly. Oh wait, let's see. Oh, this is a GeForce 2 MX. That's pretty old. So that's kind of neat. All right. Aha. This is kind of neat. A NVIDIA GeForce 8800 GT. Going back in time here, fellas. That's a big-ass card, too. Not exactly sure where that falls in the hierarchy of NVIDIA cards from back then. I'm not sure if this is any good or not, or was considered any good. You can see it was sold by Goodwill for $4. I might be able to find something to put this in. Probably something, you know, from the era that it came from. Cool, cool. All right, we got another modem card there. And the... Oh, wait, we got some Apple earbuds. The, you know, the older ones. Here we go. So, these are the main attraction here. This is a Dell Inspiron 1501. Some of you may remember I had one of these, like I said, 6-7 years ago. And this was the only thing I was told about that was in the package. So, this is an AMD Dell machine. Think like the Inspiron 6400, but instead the AMD version. And this is also a little bit more base model than that. Yep, so this is pretty much the same one that I had that has the Sempron and designed for Vista Basic. So, wow, yeah, this is a really good throwback because I had this very computer in 2010. So, well, late 2010. So, a video will be coming on that eventually. I'm going to save that for another time, though. This looks a little bit bigger than a D500 or a D600, so I'm going to guess this is a D505. Let's see if I'm right. Aha! Got it. I knew it. So, yeah, Latitude D505. Not sure if this guy works either, but we're going to find out in another video. And that finally concludes the contents of this box. So I would like to thank you guys for watching this mystery unboxing. Got a lot more stuff than I was expecting, and now I realize why the package was so heavy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and thank you very much to Brent for sending all this good stuff in. Alright, see you guys in the next one.